This video is about performing a certain type of skill that we need when dealing with quadratics that's called completing the square. Now, to complete the square, it's a very simple process. What we're going to do is divide b by 2. So we got to make sure, first of all, that we're in standard form. We're going to divide b by 2. We're going to take that result and square it. And then we're going to add that result to the standard form pieces that we have. In other words, we're going to add it to x squared plus bx. Now, one thing to notice here, notice what the number is in front of x. So it has to be a 1 in front of x squared, all right, in order to be able to do this. So let's look at a couple of examples. All right, for example, number 1, let's say that we have x squared minus 18x plus c. Now, what they want us to do in these directions is find c that makes this a perfect square trinomial. All right? The way that I like to set this up myself is I always go x squared minus 18x plus blank, and we have to fill in the blank. So you can see how it's the same thing. C and the blank are the same thing. Now the process says take b, which is negative 18, divided by 2, and that gives us negative 9. Take negative 9 and square it. Negative 9 squared is 81. So this creates then a perfect square trinomial. All right, and this trinomial would be x minus 9 quantity squared. So the c value that we needed there was 81. Let's try another one. Let's say, for example, we have x squared plus 22x plus c. Now again, I'm going to change that c to a blank, and I have to fill in the blank. So I'm going to take 22 divided by 2, that gives me 11. I'm going to take 11 and square it. This is the whole process for completing the square. 11 squared, well, that would be 121. Or I can rewrite this as x plus 11 squared. Notice how this 11 that we're plugging in right here and this 11 are the same thing. Notice how this negative 9 right here is the same thing right there. All right, let's try another one. Let's say that we have x squared plus 9x plus c, but I'm just going to write plus blank. All right, so this one now, I have to take 9 divided by 2. Well, 9 divided by 2 is 9 over 2, or it's already in simplest form. I'm going to take 9 over 2, and the second part of completing the square is to square it. That gives me 81 fourths. I'm going to leave it as a fraction, 81 fourths. Now I'm going to rewrite this left side as that perfect square. X plus 9 over 2 quantity squared. All right, let's try one more. Let's say that we have x squared minus 7x plus c, or plus blank. So in this case, I'm going to take negative 7 divided by 2. Doesn't simplify. Square it. Now when I square negative, I know I get a positive, so this would be 49 over 4. Put that in the blank. Rewrite this as x minus. Now it's going to be minus because we had negative 7 halves squared. Minus 7 halves quantity squared. All right? So if they ask us for what's the value of c, this is the value of c. But what we're going to do with it is take it one step further, and that's what these things are. We're going to take it one step further in the next lesson. All right? Make sure you understand this process.